I bought this plane model while being on an actual plane, and today I'm gonna unbox it and see if it's worth it. Let me explain the situation. I was flying with Wizzair a few weeks ago, and I noticed this nice Wizzair A321 model for just 13 euros, so I decided to get it. And I believe Wizzair produced this model together with AirFun, although I'm not sure. But enough yapping, let's finally unbox this thing. The model is ready, so let's do a quick montage, and after that, I'm gonna tell you my thoughts. So, about this model, I had some issues with putting the wings and the horizontal stabilizers, but when it cost 13 euros, I can't complain. Overall, it's pretty good, especially for this price. And if you ever fly with Wizzair, I definitely recommend buying it. And that was all from me, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.